Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you aloo gobi recipe which is completely sin-free and slimming world friendly. So let's get started. First of all, we'll take 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Here I've got 2 green chilies. You can adjust the quantity according to your taste. Then I've got 2 medium chopped onions. Then I got 3 medium potatoes that I've peeled, washed and got them in big dice cut. And here I've got cauliflower cut into florets. The next ingredient is tomatoes. You can either add 2 fresh tomatoes. On this occasion, I'll be using the chopped tomatoes, roughly about half a can. For the spices, you would need about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon kitchen king masala, and about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. In large wok, spray the olive oil, about 15 to 20 sprays. Make sure you heat it properly before adding onions. Add the chopped onions. We will have to cook this about 10 minutes. The reason it'll take that much time is because we're not using the actual oil, so it'll take time for onions to get caramelized. So the main focus here is cook the onions with steam. Keep stirring in between so that they are cooked evenly. Now let's add the ginger and garlic and cook the mixture for about another 5 to 10 minutes so that all the moisture is gone. As you can see, the mixture is sticking to the pan, so all the moisture is gone. Now I will be adding half a can of tomatoes and chopped green chilies. Let it simmer on low heat for the next 10 minutes. Once the tomato is properly cooked, add the spices. To add the spices, move the mixture slightly to the side and add the spices so that we can dry roast them before we mix it with the mixture. The reason I'll be dry roasting the mixture is to enhance the flavor. As you can see here, all the moisture is gone from the mixture. We'll be adding the next ingredients. I will also add half a cup of water so that I can cook it with steam. Cover the lid and simmer it for about 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. It's ready to serve. You can garnish it with either chopped coriander or chopped spring onions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe for my more videos.